Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to Tone Trader. Today we will discuss something very unique, and that is fractal patterns. What are these fractal patterns? Basically, I would say that they can help us identify potential reversal points on the market. But these fractal patterns, they're usually based, I would say, on a theory that the markets move in a predictable way. And they actually keep repeating themselves. Basically, the fractal pattern is a combination of candles, specific entry points, and specific confirmation for the pricing to move up and for the pricing to move down. I will show you two examples on how you can use this in your advantage. And on the figure 1, you will see now fractal up, which can determine a specific set of 3 constant green candles and 2 constant red candles. The fractal down, 3 constant or one after another red candle and 2 following by 2 green candles. And on the example 2, you can now identify the fractal signal and the fractal start. And when the price, if for example you will not be squeezed out by the stop loss, but you can actually understand when to buy. So basically, if you're using, let's imagine the 2 green candles and 3 consecutive red candles, that actually signifies fractal down, and indeed the price moves a little bit lower. But as we can see here, we have a very strong support line, and as soon as we have a confirmation of buy, we can move this forward. Therefore, the fractal pattern can help us identify or maybe predict what will be the entry point you should open your position at. Of course, fractal patterns can take years to master, but if you're using this particular mix of green candles and red candles with reversals, you can identify exactly an entry point or a stop loss point or a reversal for the short position. Now, I'm going to try to find on the Tone Trader chart some examples that could benefit your experience. But fractal patterns usually take a little bit more to master and, of course, to identify. But don't you worry, the Tone Trader team is on it and we can help you identify those for you. See you on the charts. When it comes to the fractal patterns, things get a little bit complicated, but let's imagine this particular chart, right? We have 3 consecutive green candles, right? This is our fractal signal. This is our fractal start. We have a good bounce back here. This is our stop loss, by the way. And this is our buy signal over here. It went up and you can see that profits were made. This particular fractal pattern is a little bit harder to identify because you need to follow the specific rules. But with time, you will learn and you will understand them. For example, this is a beginning of a fractal pattern. Actually, this is a fractal up. We have consecutive green lines, correction with 1, 2, maybe 3, and then a higher low, and then boom, we are up here with profits. With time, you'll understand how everything goes, but look, another one here. Candles 2 went up and it's gone. So this is how you make profits. With time, fractal patterns can be understood, can be applied, but it just needs to be the right moment and the right narrative. That's all for today, Tone Traders. Until next time, take care.